that were with us in the 90s. I have to say this is the first song that I actually wrote. Okay, so prepare in the band. Okay, you'd be amazed how inspired you could be when you find your true love. Okay, so those of you who have your true love, I think you could agree with me on that. Yes, I was 21 years old. A long time ago, right? And that year, man, that's the time, that's the year that changed my life forever. All right, I met my sweetheart, and I never let her go. Right? So, yeah, this one here I actually wrote on our first year we got married. So I wrote this for my wife, and yeah. So every time I sing this song, I always think about her, and I always think about how much I love her, and how she's changed me for the best, and in everything. She's truly my better half. So if you feel the way I feel, and your significant other in here, then this one's for you too, okay?
All right.
So, life was so simple back there when I was 21 years old, right out of college. And nowadays, when they say the new 40s, like the new 20s, true, because back then we used to get married in our 20s. Now you guys don't get married, you guys are in the 30s and 40s, right? So back then, at 21, right? So you gotta get married or else you can't find a wife later on. So I got married. That was my kind of like my graduation present to myself. But I don't know. My wife's here somewhere. Hey, love you. Yeah. So this is 3 kids later. 3 kids later. I have a son who's actually a senior this year. He's gonna go to college. So it's been a long time. But I still cherish these words the same way I did the first day I wrote this song. So I hope you guys like it too, okay?
抱说，要好孤单不，更要不走下，更要不走下。 说，要好孤单不，更要不走下，更要不走下。
Nathan, amazing musicians. What can I ask for?